Hey, it's Matt here, and let me see if I can see this real quick. Alright, so what I wanted to go through is just a simple Forex scalping strategy for you guys. This is a great way to trade price action, and it has nothing to do with candlesticks and what you guys are used to when it comes to the traditional term of price action trading. It's really all about trading price levels. So I have GJ pulled up on my screen. It's really the only pair I trade. It's a very simple, again, it's a simple scalping strategy. I trade off the 1 minute. So you can see these blue lines. I'll just kind of scroll through. Hopefully my screen recording here doesn't cover up too much of this. But you could see how well these different levels are respected. All this is dynamic Fibonacci. So it's based on Fibonacci. Interbanks trade this way. And you could see that there's the white space. You know, it's like an active zone. I don't take any trades in there. I don't take any trades off this first level either. So what I wait for is I wait for price to reach these second levels. So second level, third level, and it's a very simple strategy. I sell off these top levels and I buy off the bottom levels. So the idea here is price can only go so far in such a period of time before it does have to come back, right? It's kind of like, think like a rubber band. You pull the rubber band, it's going to stretch out, and it's eventually going to come back. So you can see, again, that this price, if I took a sell off of this, it goes about 2 pips against me. And, you know, this is actually kind of later in the day, so it doesn't really go anywhere. You can see it just kind of like feathered out. Let me back up a little bit so you can see some examples. So right here, I would have taken a sell here, and I put an 8 pip stop loss, so I would have lost this trade here. But then I would have jumped back in over here, and I would have had an 8 pip stop loss, so I'm up here. Came about 6.5 pips against me. But then I take it down to a 19 pip take profit. So you can see this actually went 22 pips. So this would have been a loss here of -8 plus 19 here. So I'm up 16 right in that little, that small time frame. And I typically trade this in 2 sessions because there's a little bit more volatility. The later in the day sessions, the Asian session, there's not as much price movement, just kind of, it's really small. But I just want to scroll back and you can see how well these levels are respected, okay? You can see these are where I took trades, went down, lost this trade. This one right here, it came close, so I probably wouldn't have entered in here. But when it popped up over this level, I would have got in right here easily, 19 pips right there. But again, you could just see, just by looking at this, it's a very simple scalping strategy. Really takes the guesswork out of, you know, where to draw the Fibonacci. You know, you're literally just trading price levels and letting probabilities take place. So the big key here is you need a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio because you will have losing trades. There's plenty of losing trades in here, right? This is a losing trade. That's -8. But then you would have just jumped in right here. 3 pips against you. Boom. 19. So as long as you have at least a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, you'll come out on top because I win about 70% of the trades when I trade. So, and again, I just stuck at 1 pair. So I take people that are either struggling to stay consistent trading Forex, or if you're looking to get into the market, looking to learn how to trade Forex for income, whether it's part-time. The beauty about, again, what I do here with the scalping strategy is I only trade for about an hour or 2 a day, and I'm done. I don't sit in front of the charts all day long. I watch 1 chart, and that's literally all I do is just take trades off the levels, and I let the probabilities take its course. I know if I take enough trades over a given enough time, I'm going to win right around 60, 70, sometimes as high as 80% of my trades. And all you need to do is win at least about 40 to 50% to come out profitable and come out profitable at the end of the week. So we've put together a boot camp. Okay, it's an 18-day boot camp. Takes you from start to finish to learn, different scalping strategies. If you want to be more a long-term trader, we teach swing trading. We have live trade rooms in addition to the boot camp, and we also give signals out in addition to that boot camp. So if you really want to learn and take this seriously and learn how to trade Forex for income, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can get access to that training. And if you want to learn more about how to get these indicators, these are not through the system. They're not through, they're through my buddy. Okay, my buddy is a programmer. He knows what he's doing. He trades Forex full time. And just hit me up on Facebook. I can get you access to these. I'm going to tell you this right now. These are not free. They are paid. You have to pay for these to get these, but you could just see right here how powerful this simple scalping strategy is. The boot camp right now, you can actually, if you get in, you can get it for $1 for the first 7 days. So you could just try it out for $1. Click the link in the description, jump into the boot camp, hit me up on Facebook if you want these indicators, and I'll show you how to get them. All right, take care.